If you sift through our postings about the quality of dining programs at universities across the country, you'll notice a common theme. Students aren't overly thrilled about what their meal plans are getting them, but they at least admit it could be worse in most cases. Scholars at Penn State are subjected to the same old fare of hamburgers, chicken fingers, and so on. The strange thing is that they're not too upset about it. You have to keep track of a lot during your academic years, from managing part-time jobs with a schedule full of classes to getting those essays done on time. A healthy, energizing meal doesn't seem viable most of the time. This becomes very apparent when you consider what some Lions have to say about the institution's 6 major dining commons. The cookies are raved about, buffets of fast food dishes are devoured, and don't even get them started on the hub. This food court boasts Starbucks, Burger King, Sbarro, Chick-fil-A, Panda Express, and more. Our minds are practically reeling with visions of caffeinated concoctions and sodium overload. One student came right out and said what we were all thinking: there could be a greater selection of healthy food options. Delving outside of the actual food, it's worth noting that the structure of meal plans isn't something that students might brag about to their other collegiate comrades. For starters, not every graduate living in the dorms likes that they're required to have a plan. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner isn't always guaranteed when you're busy. There are those students who prefer to simply eat when they're hungry. This logic doesn't factor into the points-based setup that's used. These points carry over from fall to spring semester, but they're forfeited during spring to summer terms, summer classes being a reality these days for those who are committed to graduating in 4 years. Penn State has food, and lots of it. That's really all we can discern about the school, though. With the same old options and no real stance or mission when it comes to clean eating, sustainability, and other factors that have become the norm at more progressive schools, it's certainly not the kind of campus that befits the health-conscious eater with the refined palate. If you still salivate over the thought of cafeteria chicken fingers and french fries, you'll likely find oodles of joy amidst the lines of your tray-carrying peers. So for more tips and tricks on colleges and universities, check out our website,